Your Mac Mini is more powerful than you think. Let me say that again. Your Mac Mini is more powerful than you think. And if you're only using it for email, Netflix, or the occasional spreadsheet, you are barely scratching the surface of what it can actually do. Because right now, that small machine on your desk can operate like an AI team. Not in the future, not with a massive budget. Right now. Most people rush to buy new tech without stopping to ask a better question. What problem is this supposed to solve? And that's the mistake. This isn't about buying another computer. It's about changing how work gets done. For the first time, individuals and small businesses can build something that used to be reserved for corporations. A quiet system, always on, working in the background, handling repetitive tasks so you don't have to. That's where Clawdbots come in. And when you pair Clawdbots with a Mac Mini, you're no longer just using AI. You're deploying it. Think about how much time disappears every single week. Sorting files, organizing data, cleaning information, repeating the same steps over and over again. That's not creative work. That's friction. And friction is exactly what AI was designed to remove. So in this video, I'm going to show you how your Mac Mini can function as the brain of an AI workforce, what Clawdbots actually do, why this setup works so well, and what you need to know before you hand over tasks to automation. This isn't hype, it's control. But most people are using it for email, Netflix, maybe a spreadsheet here and there. What if I told you this little silver box could become the brain of your very first AI workforce? Not just chatting with AI, not just asking questions, but deploying AI to actually work for you. Today, we're talking about Clawdbots, the Mac Mini, and why this combination has people excited, curious, and honestly, a little afraid. And by the end of this video, you'll understand what Clawdbots really are, why the Mac Mini matters so much, what you should be excited about, and what you should absolutely be cautious about, without the hype, without the fear-mongering, and without needing to be a programmer. Most people interact with AI the same way they interact with a search engine. You type something, you get an answer. Conversation over. Clawdbots represent a shift. This is not about chatting anymore. This is about assigning tasks. Imagine waking up and your repetitive work is already done. Emails organized, files sorted, leads categorized, data cleaned, content prepared. That's the promise people are excited about. And that excitement is justified. Because Clawdbots aren't just smart replies. They're agent-style AI bots designed to do things, not just talk about them. Why the Mac Mini is the secret weapon. Let's talk about the Mac Mini for a second, because this is where most people miss the point. The Mac Mini isn't trending just because it's small or sleek. It's trending because it's the perfect AI hub. Here's why. First, performance. Apple's M-series chips are extremely good at AI inference. That means they can handle AI thinking efficiently without slowing everything else down. Second, local control. When you run Clawdbots through a Mac Mini, you're not sending every piece of data to the cloud. Your files, your workflows, your business logic stay on your desk, not on someone else's server. Third, always-on reliability. The Mac Mini is quiet, stable, and designed to run continuously. That makes it ideal as a dedicated AI brain. Think of it like this. The Mac Mini is the command center, Clawdbots are the workers, you are still the CEO. That balance matters. What people should be genuinely excited about. Let's talk about the upside, because it's real. Clawdbots can handle repetitive digital tasks, work 24/7 without burnout, execute instructions consistently, scale your output without hiring more people. This is especially powerful for creators, entrepreneurs, small teams, solo business owners. Instead of hiring help immediately, you're building infrastructure first. And when paired with a Mac Mini, the speed difference is noticeable. Tasks feel instant. There's less lag, less waiting, less friction. This is why people are calling it an AI workforce, not just AI tools. Now, let's address the fear. Because ignoring the fear is irresponsible. Here's the big question people are afraid to ask. If a bot can do my work, what does that mean for me? It's a fair question. And here's the honest answer. The danger isn't Clawdbots becoming too powerful. The danger is people giving up control. Clawdbots should never be set it and forget it. That's a myth. The safest and smartest setups always include limited permissions, specific task scopes, review steps before execution, human approval when it matters. You don't give a Clawdbot the keys to your entire system. You give it a to-do list. That's the difference between automation and recklessness. Security, privacy, and control. The right way. This is where the Mac Mini becomes even more important. Running Clawdbots locally means your data isn't automatically uploaded. You control what folders the bot can access. You decide what actions are allowed. Think sandbox, not free range. A well-configured Clawdbot can read from specific folders only, write outputs to designated locations, ask for confirmation before executing actions. You stay in charge. The bot is the intern, you are still the boss. The quiet truth about jobs and automation. Let's be real for a moment. This technology won't eliminate all jobs overnight, but it will quietly replace tasks. And the people who benefit the most will be the ones who learn how to manage AI instead of competing with it. The future doesn't belong to people who ignore AI. It belongs to people who direct it. Clawdbots aren't about replacing humans. They're about replacing friction. What setup actually looks like, without the fear. Here's the good news. Setting this up is not as scary as it sounds. At a high level, you install your Clawdbot environment. You connect it to your Mac Mini. You define tasks and limits. You test with small jobs first. No magic, no sci-fi, no robot uprising, just structured automation. And once it's running, you'll start to see why people are excited and why this conversation is happening now. The real ROI. Nobody talks about. Here's something most videos won't say out loud. The real return isn't just time saved, it's mental space reclaimed. When repetitive work disappears, you think better. You plan better. You create better. And that's the real power of pairing Clawdbots with a Mac Mini. Not speed, clarity. Final thoughts. Don't fear it. Learn to lead it. AI isn't going away. Clawdbots aren't a gimmick. And the Mac Mini isn't just another computer. Together, they represent a shift in how work gets done. You don't have to rush, you don't have to panic, and you definitely don't have to give up control. Learn it, shape it, lead it, because the future won't belong to the people who fear AI. It will belong to the people who know how to manage it.